guys, tonight I'm doing an unboxing. My baby sister bought me a Christmas gift and I'm not getting around to opening it. It did come home a little bit late, which doesn't matter, you know, but that's why I'm opening so if y'all probably wondering. But my baby sister got me something. I'm just gonna unbox it with y'all, see what she got me. And what I need. This bitch. How? Oh my god, she knows me so she got this to match my bed! Joe! Oh my gosh! She got me an electric throw blanket. And if you guys know, my bedroom is a zebra print. Damn Virgo. Oh my god, this is so beautiful. Let me open it so y'all can see. It's an electric blankie. Oh my god. Oh, Jojo. Ah! Let's open her up. Hi. Oh my god. She knows me too damn well. And I haven't been feeling good. I've been sick. I'm still sick, miserably sick. And oh my god, if you do not know how this just made my whole entire day. She got this perfectly for my bed. My sisters are the greatest. Oh my god. Oh, let me stand there so I can show you. Oh, look. Oh, this is so beautiful. So look at it, guys. Look, all nice and black on the inside, and the outside is the zebra print to go with my bed. And I can feel all the wires in it. Oh, this is so, Joe, thank you, sister. Oh, this is so beautiful. Oh, so there is, look at this. So nice. This is so cool. So I just got to find where the ports are at so I can plug this in. Once I find it, just got to figure out where it's at. You know where it's at, Lulu? Do you know where it's? Looks like it's probably like a pocket somewhere. I just gotta keep looking to find it. Ooh. You want to get on this blanket. It's not for you, Lulu. It's for me. There it goes right here. So there's the port. And then we plug it in. Did I do it right? Plug it in. There it goes. Ooh. And then we plug it in. I'm like, Lulu, I know Lulu cannot wait. Turn her on. Ooh. Look at that. And it got, excuse me, got all these little different modes to set it to go higher. So it goes up to 5. And then you could set the timer on it and it shows you different temperatures. Isn't that so? Oh man, this is bomb. And it'll warm up. So I got my amazing blankie. Oh wow, this is so nice. Ah! I hope y'all enjoyed my unboxing. All right, bye.